Today we're working with ProKut bar and chain, and we're going to replace the bar on this Bush Ranger chainsaw. Over time, we'll replace many chains on the chainsaws as they wear, and of course the bar will wear as well. Once we've identified that a bar needs changing, we need to go through the process of disassembling the saw. Start by taking the bar nuts off. Once we've removed both bar nuts, ensure the chain brake is off and support the bar and remove the side cover. At this point, it can be helpful to tip the saw on its side, to slide the bar forward and take the chain loose. Remove the unwanted bar and chain. Take our new bar, ensuring that the sprocket is greased first. So pumping some grease into the front and turning the sprocket a number of times. Insert the new bar onto the saw, checking the chain is in the right direction. We want the cutting teeth to be facing away on the top and facing towards us at the bottom, or looking down at the saw, rotating clockwise. Place the chain over the clutch assembly, ensuring that it's locked into the drive sprocket. Reach up to the nose, pull the chain over and back down the bar, slotting the drive links into the bar channel. And it should just sit there. Wind the bar tensioner screw back a couple of turns. This will help with locating the bar, and press down firmly, ensuring the side cover, the bar and the chainsaw meet. Add our bar nuts. And we can now stand the saw up and finish the process. Once we've reassembled the saw, we can see straight away our chain is loose. Pull down on it firmly to try and stretch any kinks out of the chain, ensuring that we're not too tight with the bar nuts. Take our chain tensioner and turn it clockwise, tightening the chain. Again, the chain will come up and meet the bar. Stop, holding the bar up. Pull the chain down, run it a couple times. Again, this stretches the chain and pulls slack out. Pull the chain down firmly so that we can see as we're tightening it, it come up and touch the bar again. Tightening until it touches, and then just a little bit more. We should have the correct tension on the chain. Finish by tightening up the bar nuts again. And of course, one last check. Chain is taut and we're ready to use the saw again.